you going straight to hell. When you get Holy Ghost filled, you get shot baptized. No matter what he said, he done drunk. They ain't like something fell on the yellow jacket this. Ain't that right? I went to just stinking them. Somebody said she'll probably tell why she didn't see that one coming. Me and my wife drunk at no airport fighting one another. Cause we did. Ain't nobody could have pulled me out of crunk the helicopter up. Man, everybody ran in, I'd have been hit. That news story still be going now. I just keep it real.
Yes, sir.
I'm not gonna fight my wife, but if I do crank on the helicopter, it is on. Huh? Listen.
And the Amorites,
what did they do?
Was dwelt in that mountain.
What dwelt in that mountain?
Came out against you.
And what they chased us like?
Chased you.
Like what?
As bees do.
Woo! Trying to get out of there. You know how people get when bees get behind them? The people that you went out to fight, man, they drop bumblebees on you. You trying to get out of there. They chase you out of there like bees was on you. Why he be talking about bumblebee? I'm a Bible preacher.
Amen.
Isn't that right? They drop them bumblebees on you. They chase you, but you like it. Some folks say, oh, they put a fella in a yellow jacket in there. Look how they come running out of them hills.